2025 Prelim MGS Paper 2, Question 2. Judy had a 1 meter long metal wire. She used some of it to form a square of sides 4s plus 3 centimeter. Alright, this is a square. And had 32 centimeter of wire left. What is the value of S? Now let's convert 1 meter into 100 centimeter. And she had 32 centimeter of wire left. So wire used is equals to 100 minus 32. That gives us 68 centimeter. So 68 centimeter of wire was used to form the square. Alright. And then we know that the perimeter of the square is 4 times 4s plus 3. Okay, they have equal sides. And they will add up to 68 centimeter. Right? Now let's open the brackets. Remember, when you multiply in, you have to multiply by both. Okay, both numbers inside the bracket have to be multiplied by the number outside, which is 4. So 4 times 4s, that will give us 16s. 4 times 3, 12, equals to 68. Alright, now let's keep the 16s on the left side. Alright, I want to bring 12 over the equal sign. So from positive, once you move across the equal sign, it becomes negative. So you have 68 minus 12. Alright, so 16s will give us 56. S will be 56 divided by 16. S equals to 3.5 centimeter. Right, this is our answer, 3.5 centimeter.